Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will be teaching you guys about control operators. We will be looking at AND, OR, semicolon, dollar question mark, ampersand, backslash and hash symbol. So let's start with this AND. This is basically logical AND operator and working is very simple. Echo B. It states that if the first portion is successful, only then the second will be executed. Now as we can see, it is a valid command, so it is successful, and this is why this is executed. So let's try something else. P echo. I'm sure it is not a valid command, so now as we can see, the first is failing, so that's why the second is also not executed. Let's move further to OR operator. Echo A, echo B. It states that if first is true, then okay, execute it, no need to execute the second one. But if the first one fails, then execute the second one. But in case of AND operator, if the first one failed, the second is not executed, as we can see here. But in case of OR operator, if the first one is failed, as we can see, P echo command not found, the second one will be executed. So how can we combine both of these operators to come up with a structure like if and else? It is very simple. Basically, echo, let's try something else. CD temp and echo it worked. Now let's read this command. Change directory to temp, and if this is successful, echo it worked, else echo failed to do so. Let's try this. As we can see, this is successful as the directory is changed to temp, so that is why echo it worked, and done. Now let me get back to previous directory. Now let's change this command slightly. I'm appending some XYZ characters. Now this thing. As we can see, there is no such directory in my operating system, so that's why it is failing. So this won't be executed, but this is executed because of this OR operator. So it is basically red light. Try to do this. If it is successful, then do this, else do this. So that's it. Moving further, we have semicolon. Semicolon is basically a statement terminator or separator, you can say. Echo A, echo B. Now both will be taken as separate statements, and statements will be executed in the sequence they are written in. This will be executed when it is finished, then this will be executed. Next we have this special symbol, dollar question mark. This basically returns the return value of the previous command that was executed. So let me try this. CD temp. I know this is successful. So this previous command returned value of 0. We can say the true value or return value in case of success of a CD is 0. But let's try something else. Now we can see, as the CD was failed, change directory was failed, so the return value is 1, which represents error or some issue with the command. So this is very powerful thing to remember. Moving forward, we have ampersand. This is basically used to do something or execute a command in the background instead of running in the foreground, like sleep 5. Now it's gonna wait for the 5 seconds, then the shell prompt will get back to us, as you can see. So we don't want to do this. So simple step is to append the ampersand at the end of the command, and this command will be executed in the background. Now as we can see, it is assigned an ID, process ID, and we got the shell prompt back as soon as we hit the enter. So this is very powerful thing to remember as well. Next we have comment. How commenting works. Echo test. This is a comment. So as we can see, this is ignored, pretty much ignored, because of this symbol, hash symbol or pound symbol. This is basically a way to write a comment in a bash. So everything after this will be ignored, completely ignored. Last but not least, we have to deal with how to do escaping the special characters like echo test. How we can escape this special character because it has a special meaning, that is for commenting. How can we escape this thing? It is very simple. We use the backslash. Now it won't be processed in a specific special character way. So that's why the output is test. So that's all for now. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.